If you're looking to purchase an AI agent for your business, then you are in the right place. However, with so many options available, how do you know which one is the right one for you? Today, we're going to have a look at Botpress. We're also going to have a look at Typebot. And we're going to figure out what they're actually offering and why you should be using them right now. So let's check them out. Let's have a look at Botpress now. So it's an all-in-one AI chatbot builder. It offers visual conversation building with a drag and drop flowchart. It also supports the latest LLMs for advanced conversational capabilities. It has an intuitive flowchart interface for designing complex conversations without actually using code. Its built-in integrations with leading language models for human-like interactions really set it apart. You can connect with WhatsApp, Telegram, Zapier, Zendesk, and a whole bunch more platforms. You can see over here, you can import data from your websites, documents, and even PDFs to create informed AI agents. You can store user data in vectorized databases, and you can sync with third-party systems as well. It has enterprise security, so GDPR and SOC 2 compliant with robust security features for business use. Also, you can track and analyze chatbot performance in real time with a dedicated dashboard. That means you get to see all of your chatbot's performance as it's happening on one single dashboard. So you don't have to jump from area to area, page to page, app to app. It's all in one space. The last thing that we're going to have a look here is some of its use cases. You can see it automates millions of support conversations with natural language understanding. It also guides new hires through training workflows and company procedures. It can handle scheduling and secure account information for sensitive sectors as well. And for example, you can create AI Dungeon Master templates, which include interactive role-play experiences. So this is all kind of the use cases and examples of use cases that you could actually put Botpress up to. Let's have a look at Typebot now. So Typebot is a no-code conversational form. It makes interactive chatbots accessible to non-developers with an intuitive visual builder. So if you're not a coder and you would like to still use a platform like this, Typebot is the option for you. It has intuitive visual editors which require no coding, and you can create complex workflows. You can embed bots on websites, apps, or even share it via a standalone link. It's popular with marketers, educators, and even internal teams needing quick solutions. You can see over here there's logic and conditions, so you can create custom logic flows with conditional branching as well as API integrations. You can collect responses, handle file uploads, and also process payments securely. And you can monitor completion rates, drop-offs, and user data with their built-in analytics, a performance tracker. You can connect with Google Sheets, CRMs, and even email platforms for data flow. The last thing over here is their use cases and some examples. So lead generation, obviously, marketing bots can capture and qualify leads through interactive conversations. You can also streamline recruitment with automated forms and information collection. You can create interactive learning experiences and collect student feedback. And you can process orders with real-time product details as well as payment integrations. So it's got tons of use cases. These are just a few of literally an infinite amount of use cases. And there you go, ladies and gentlemen, some of the best in this class. My takeaway is always to go and try each and every one of them and see what actually works for you in a real life scenario. Put them to the test, see if they actually work for you. Now, if this really was helpful, you can go ahead and drop us a like to show your support, help us grow our channel. So we'll see you next time. Peace.